Hello children, Standard 5, EVS Part 2, Lesson number 5, Evolution of Mankind. Children, in this lesson we are looking at the stages of evolution of mankind. In previous lesson video we had learned first two stages of evolution of mankind, and they are number 1, the skilled human or Homo habilis, and second, Homo erectus. Children, in this video, we are going to learn next two stages of evolution of mankind, and they are number 1, Homo neanderthalensis or Neanderthal man, and Homo sapien. So children, let's see the stages of evolution of mankind. The third stage of evolution of mankind, Homo neanderthalensis or Neanderthal man. Children, Homo erectus later developed into Homo neanderthalensis, as his remains were first found in Neanderthal. He is also known as the Neanderthal man. Children, let's see some characteristics of Homo neanderthalensis. Number 1, the Neanderthal man was physically big and strong. Second, he had a more developed brain than that of the Homo erectus. Number 3, he primarily lived in caves and wore leather clothes. So children, these are the characteristics of Homo neanderthalensis. Let's see the tools made by Homo neanderthalensis. Children, the tools of Homo neanderthalensis were made out of big pebbles and also from flakes scraped off from these stones. And after that, these tools were transformed into weapons like a spear, axe, and etc. by fixing them on a bone or a wooden shaft. So children, these kinds of tools were made by Homo neanderthalensis, and after that these tools were transformed into different kinds of weapons. Children, let's see the food habits of Homo neanderthalensis. Children, Neanderthal man were primarily meat eater. They hunt big animal and use scrapers made from the stone flakes to scrape the meat from the hide of dead animals. They ate meat after roasting it on fire. Children, they knew the art of making fire by rubbing sticks of hard woods on each other or by striking one fine stone on other so as to create spark. So children, these are the food habits of Homo neanderthalensis. Let's see some creative skills and rituals of Homo neanderthalensis. Children, it is quite possible that Neanderthal man had evolved quite a lot and had developed some artistic skill. According to some scientists, Neanderthal man communicate with each other by producing grunts and other primary words. Though it is still not known if they had a developed language system to express their thought with the help of words. The Neanderthal man buried tools, horn, and etc. with the body of the dead. They apply red orge to the dead body, which signify that they follow some rituals associated with the burying of the dead. Children, some of the Neanderthals migrate to the continent of Europe and Asia from Africa. So these things made them modify and improve their tools. Children, let's see the extinction of Homo neanderthalensis. Children, the Neanderthal man and the Homo sapien, which is the next stage of evolution of mankind, they were more advanced and intellectual man. So children, this Neanderthal man and Homo sapien were lived together for some time in Europe. The Neanderthals were unable to adapt to the environmental change, and there were also conflicts between them and Homo sapien. As a result, they become extinct in this process. Children, based on carbon 14 dating, It is assumed that the Neanderthal man became extinct about 30,000 years ago. So children, this is the third stage of evolution of mankind, Homo neanderthalensis or a Neanderthal man. Let's see the next stage of evolution of mankind. Number 4, Homo sapien. Homo sapien were more advanced and intelligent than any of the earlier species of human which evolved. Children, they are also known as a Cro-Magnon man in Europe. The remains of Homo sapien have been found in Europe, Asia, and Africa. Children, let's see the tools of Homo sapien. Homo sapien made tools and implements depending on the task involved. The stone blades made by them were fixed in grooves and notches made in wood or bones handle. Let's see the physical features and development of communication in Homo sapien. Children, the Homo sapien had a fully developed larynx which could produce a wide variety of sound with the subtle difference. They had a well developed jaw and muscles in their mouth. Their tongue was flexible because of which they could produce a variety of sound and modulate their voice. Children, Homo sapien used their imagination to give different names to the things that they saw. Also, they could put their thoughts and feeling into words and thus could speak and communicate. Children, thus they had a well developed language system. Using their observation and imagination, they could also draw pictures and make an artistic object. It is due to all these reasons that they earn the name Homo sapien, which means intelligent man or a thinking man. Children, thus from this lesson, we had to learn two stages of evolution of mankind, Neanderthal man and Homo sapien. Thank you.